Wharfedale, Audiolab, Leap, Mission, and Quad. These venerable UK brands are responsible for some of the biggest releases and the brightest innovations within HiFi today. They're also all owned by International Audio Group, an audio manufacturing giant from Shenzhen. And while design for these brands is still headed up in the UK, almost all of their manufacturing proudly takes place in China. And it's proudly because IAG build everything, and I mean everything, in-house. There's almost no outsourcing of any single component under the IAG banner, from driver parts to transformers, cone membranes, crossovers, and circuitry. And this gives each brand an unparalleled quality and performance control. So kick back, put up your feet, and let's dive into the detail of UK's hottest hi-fi brands. Few names in hi-fi resonate with a wider audience than Wharfedale. From creating one of the first ever two-way loudspeakers to their innovative materials and designs, Wharfedale haven't just helped shape the audio industry, they've helped shape the way generations appreciate music. The Wharfedale sound is distinctly British, warm, easy on the ears, a little laid back even, and with a steadfast commitment to greater sound per pound performance than any other speaker in their class, incredible value for money has become a constant trope with Wharfedale reviews. It's impossible to talk about Wharfedale without mentioning Diamond. This acclaimed series has been running since 1981, and Diamond 12 is its latest evolution, using an advanced driver cone compound to deliver a lightning fast response and minimal coloration. But it's Wharfedale's collaboration with Karl-Heinz Fink that has become Diamond 12's greatest departure from previous series. Fink is famous for his industry-leading approach to eliminating cabinet resonances, and Diamond 12 cabinets are dead quiet. No doubt you know the speaker. Linton Heritage is a hi-fi phenomenon. It's not only paying homage to Wharfedale's rich history and its 60s original, it also embodies decades of acoustic research and development to create a truly modern loudspeaker with a classic aesthetic. Handcrafted wood veneers, jersey knit grills, and matching speaker stands that house 30-odd of your favorite 12-inch vinyl records. Is it any wonder Linton Heritage has become Wharfedale's highest-selling loudspeaker of all time? But beyond hard-cutting diamonds and heritage hits, Wharfedale's also making big noise in both moderate and high-end speaker ranges. There's Evo 4, Elysian, and the all-new Aura. Plus, they've also made a celebrated return to small-batch UK manufacturing with speakers like Dovedale and Aston. So this is one speaker brand that's well worth paying your serious attention to. Audiolab is beginning to make a serious name for itself within the world of audio electronics, repeatedly delivering series after series of award-winning integrated pre-power and source components. Known for its minimal industrial aesthetic and unrivaled audio transparency, Audiolab serves up serious power, clean audio, and exceptional build quality. Audiolab make major waves in the 80s, but by the mid-90s they're struggling. When their acquisition by the Tag McLaren audio project also fails, they're resurrected in 2005 by IAG, and under the direction of famed designer John Westlake, Audiolab goes to work on rebuilding their early reputation with the acclaimed 8200 series and their almost mythic Audiolab MDAC. But it's Jan Ertner's 6000 series in 2017 that gives Audiolab its greatest global recognition. Simple, industrial design aesthetics and an ability to get out of the way and just let the music through is what makes Audiolab Audiolab. It's not forward nor is it sluggish. More than anything, Audiolab is known for being a window into the music. Since the 8200 series, the 5-star reviews have stacked high. So too have the YouTube reviews. And it's this praise that serves as a testament to Audiolab's elegance, functionality, and performance supremacy. You can't mention Audiolab without MDAC. Launched in 2011 under John Westlake's expertise, MDAC fast became an icon, securing 5 consecutive What HiFi Product of the Year awards until its discontinuation in 2016. Esteemed for integrating ESS Sabre technology, it set a benchmark in DAC performance, symbolizing Audiolab's commitment to exceptional sound fidelity, shaping the brand's philosophy and ultimately continuing to influence its product range to this day. Ertner's 6000A is an acclaimed integrated amp that includes 50 watt of Class AB grunt, an inbuilt phono preamp, line, coaxial, optical inputs, Bluetooth connectivity, a dedicated headphone amplifier, as well as pre-power and integrated mode, something rather rare for an amp at this price. Designed for audiophiles on a budget, 6000A is the most affordable amp Audiolab has produced in recent years, says What HiFi, and also one of its most capable, confident, and competitive efforts. If no-frills sound supremacy and functionality are your jam, Audiolab is definitely your brand. Simple, elegant, and a window into the music. There's really no better way to sum up the Audiolab experience. Mission combines bold, brash, and iconic design choices with a focus on musicality to deliver trademark listening experiences. Famous for Mission 770, the acclaimed two-way stand mount model with a rather bold aesthetic flair, Mission are also rather unique in the way they approach loudspeaker driver arrangement, making them one of the more nuanced brands in UK loudspeaker design. Mission charges onto the scene in 1978 with Mission 770, a revolutionary loudspeaker that features the world's first commercial polypropylene bass unit, and it was a smash. In 2001, they dropped Pilastro, the synthesis of a decade's worth of acoustic research and expertise, and by 2005, they joined hands with IAG, moving both production and engineering operations to IAG's cutting-edge facilities in Shenzhen. Mission's approach to driver configuration might just be their most defining quality. Since 1979, Mission have chosen to invert the driver arrangements, opting to place the treble units below the mid-bass drivers. This inverted driver geometry, which rests at the core of Mission's design philosophy, is claimed to improve their speakers' time alignment, helping to create a more rhythmic musical performance. Now, you can't discuss Mission without 770. This mighty loudspeaker might just be HiFi's most iconic aesthetic in modern history. Big white baffles, big white polypropylene drivers, Mission's logo written boldly across the face of the speaker. It's polarizing, yes, but it's also unmistakable. And Peter Como's modern reimagining of this icon is nothing short of spectacular. Once again manufactured in the UK, the all-new Mission 770 is accruing a litany of awards, fast becoming Mission's top-selling loudspeaker. There's no shortage of players within the entry-level loudspeaker market, so standing out takes real talent. And Mission's acclaimed LX series is not only affordable, it's breathtakingly beautiful too. The series includes 3 stand mount models, 3 floor standing models, 2 center channels, and a cinema surround. And beginning at just $399 AUD, LX series offers incredible value for money, allowing listeners to build the music and movie systems of their dreams at a fraction of the price. With Peter Como at the helm and the manufacturing talents of IAG to support, Mission are making serious waves in all areas of audio. And with their sights set firmly on making a distinct difference within the world of audio design, Mission is one brand that's well worth your time and attention. Heritage Audio has enjoyed real success in recent years, and to little surprise, major brands from distant markets have long capitalized on our favor for classic design. Converse and the iconic Chuck Taylor, Ray-Ban with their forever famous Wayfarers. We humans have long been attached to designs of the past that evoke within us emotional connections and feelings of individual self-expression, so it was only a matter of time before audio caught on. Roll tape and reintroduce leak. Founded in 1934, H.J. Leek & Co. pioneered negative feedback topology with the Type 15 amplifier. They gained international acclaim following the adoption of the TL12 by the BBC, and in 1961 they sandwiched together multiple cone materials to form a single membrane and build a cabinet around it and a speaker called the Leek Sandwich, which soon became a wild success. But in 1996, Leek had all but gone into hibernation, so acquired by IAG in 2020, Leek was resurrected as a heritage brand, one that combined classic designs with modern technology. Leek is the epitome of nostalgia, a brand that exclusively manufactures heritage audio pieces using classic designs that incorporate modern tech. Now, you love heritage hi-fi because it feels like true hi-fi to you, and you buy Leek because you want all the modern advancements of the last 50 years in a chassis that looks like it would have sat in Jimi Hendrix's living room, because the original ones did. Leek Stereo 230 is a 75 watt per channel Class A/B integrated amplifier with all your modern connectivity needs. HDMI ARC, PC USB, coaxial, optical, and aptX Bluetooth, all supported by an ESS Saber 32 reference stack. But its inbuilt moving magnet phono stage is also perfect for those more traditional listening modalities. Rooted in the 60s Art Deco motif, 230 encapsulates a bridge between classic appeal and contemporary talent. Leek Sandwich 250 is a sandwich of two sorts, multiple cone materials and multiple cabinet layer materials. The aluminum foam core sandwich cone balances lightness with rigidity, while the cabinet construction dampens unwanted vibrations, enhancing the fidelity of 250's unique cone construction. And with traditional aesthetics like aluminum trims, timber veneers, and classic cloth grills, Sandwich 250 is an Art Deco dream that delivers exquisite listening experiences. By merging historic design with innovative technologies, Leek is cementing its place in the contemporary audio space for listeners with a taste for the classic. Not classic sound, classic style. Stereo 130 and 230, Sandwich 150 and 250, these are modern classics that offer listeners a distinct difference to more conventional brands. Few brands have the historic depth and innovative pedigree of Quad, a brand best known perhaps for its most famous electrostatic loudspeakers. Since 1956, Quad has consistently aimed to deliver an audio experience that mirrors the original performance, a pursuit that began with its early amplification efforts and extends to today's innovative ribbon high-frequency drivers and its ESL line. Quad's journey began with the sole intention of producing the era's most accurate domestic amplifier, Quad 1. By 1953, the Quad 2 power amplifier set new benchmarks in reducing harmonic distortion, and it proved so effective it remained in production for 18 years. In 1956, Quad achieved another milestone with the ESL 57, a loudspeaker design so advanced it remained unchanged for the next 28 years. Quad's journey into new territory continued, solving thermal instability in transistor amplifiers, introducing current dumping circuitry, and becoming the global reference standard for electrostatic loudspeakers. Unlike other brands with a distinct sound signature, Quad aims for absolute fidelity to the original sound. This philosophy means Quad seeks not to color nor alter the sound, but to allow the music to flow through its components as if they were a transparent window into the recording studio or the live performance. The recent Revela series is Quad's most advanced speaker to date. An advanced fiber cone composite and an innovative true ribbon technology combine to create unrivaled tonal accuracy and sonic detail. The series consists of a single floor standing model Revela 2, a single stand mount bookshelf model Revela 1, as well as these gorgeous series specific Revela 1 stands, and its exquisite detailing and high gloss finishes make it a truly captivating piece of audio furniture. Quad ESL speakers offer a listening experience indistinguishable from a live performance or studio session, thanks to their electrostatic technology that delivers unmatched sonic speed and accuracy. The latest ESL models, the ESL 2912 and the ESL 2812, enhance this legacy with improved efficiency and transparency, earning high praise for their cohesive sound quality. There's a sense of complete unity to the sound from the lowest bass notes upwards, says HiFi, which, once heard, makes most conventional speakers sound just a little bit broken. And those are pretty amazing words for a review. Quad stands as a paragon of audio finesse, persistently elevating the listener's experience since its inception. Their unwavering quest to produce music in its purest form has led to pioneering technologies from the groundbreaking Quad 2 amplifier to the revolutionary ESL speakers. And they continue to revolutionize to this day. Well, that's it from me, guys. I hope you like this little deep dive into the brands that sit under the IAG umbrella. For more information on any of the brands that were referenced today or any of the components or speakers mentioned today, head on over to adrevolution.com.au. I'm Matt, It's been a blast. I'll see you guys again next time.